Hi there, this is John Lexo from Pro Tutorials, and today I'm going to talk about following your passion because this is an idea that you might have at the moment and that is probably stopping you from making more money online. And this is one thing that is commonly spread around even by very famous internet marketers out there, that they basically tell their audience that they should build a business around their passion, and if they do it, money will just start raining by them doing that. And commonly what happens is people do this and they just end up poor and not making much money online. So by making a small shift on terms of mindset, by watching this video, you will start seeing far better results online. And if I recommend for you to subscribe to my channel, if you still haven't done it, you can do that just by clicking on the button that you see right below, and you will receive my weekly video updates where I share with you tips related to affiliate marketing, self-publishing, and a lot more, so you really don't have much to lose when it comes to that. And of course, if you want to make more money as an affiliate, you can get one of the best video courses out there called Affiliate Marketing Revolution by clicking on the link on the description. You can go to its landing page and find more information about this great course. Anyway, let's talk about following your passion, why this is such a bad idea if you want to build an online business. If you want to build an online business and you follow your passion, sometimes your passion might be something that simply isn't profitable. And commonly what happens is people hear this advice from someone who is very popular online. They waste time building a website or a YouTube channel, whatever. And it doesn't matter either if they want to promote products belonging to other people or if they want to promote products created by themselves. It doesn't matter. They build tons of content. They waste tons of time, months, and probably even years building content. And then when it comes to the time where they think they should actually start monetizing their YouTube channel or their website, they just see that they can't find any kind of products probably in ClickBank or GVZ to promote. Or if they actually create a product, they spend months and months, and once they release their product, nobody actually purchases their product because nobody is actually interested in purchasing their product. And that is exactly the problem of following your passion. Your passion might be something that simply isn't profitable online because either there's not enough people interested in your passion, or there might be a lot of people interested in your passion, but they simply aren't willing to purchase your product because they can find extreme amounts of free content spread online. This is something that actually happens a lot in some niches. There are some niches where people are able to find so much free content that they simply won't purchase a product, and that's quite a problem if you want to make money inside of that niche. So following your passion is something that is might be terrible if you actually want to make money online. I never really had any kind of problem with this because most things that I'm passionate about are things that are profitable online. And even when I started out online, I never had this problem because I immediately got into a niche, even though I wasn't passionate about that niche, but I knew that it was profitable. So even in the beginning, I kind of had this idea that I should enter into a niche that it doesn't mean that I'm passionate about, but I know that niche is profitable. And the first niche that I got into was the diet and fitness niche that is extremely profitable online. Even though I don't have any kind of problems when it comes to that, even though I'm not exactly passionate about that niche, I still got into that niche because I knew that it was very profitable. And the niche that I'm nowadays mostly involved is the make money online niche, which is something that I'm actually passionate about. It just happened to happen that I was passionate about that niche. But the thing is, and this is something that you really have to understand, is that your passion may not be something that is profitable, and building or trying to build a business around something that is not profitable is just a waste of time because in the end of the day you simply won't see any kind of money by doing so. So when it comes to building a business, you have to understand that building a business, it has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with your interests. It has nothing to do with your passions. But it has to do with the passions that other people have. So you need to build a business focusing on the passions belonging to other people instead of the passions that you have. And that's the only way that you are actually going to make money. You need to build businesses around other people's passions. And you might think that, then why should you do that? I mean, why should you build a business around something that you're not passionate about? Where's the fun in doing that? And this is something that commonly people think immediately. Well, at least I talk about myself when it comes to this, because I cannot talk about anyone else besides myself. But when it comes to me, building a business or building several businesses online, it's not about building the business. For me, building a business is because I want to, of course, make more money, but it has nothing to do about building something that I'm passionate about. But what I actually gain by building those businesses online, I gain freedom of being able to do whatever I want when it comes to my life. And by building a business, even if you have a job at the moment, what happens is if you start earning money with the business, you don't feel that you are forced to be in a job that you actually don't like, because you always have another source of income entering to your bank account or to your several bank accounts that you probably have. So you don't feel forced to be in a job that you don't like, or you don't even are forced to have a job in the first place. So in my case, my joy in building an online business is really the freedom that I gain. And this is just my mindset. You may have another opinion when it comes to this, of course, but that is really my joy when it comes to building online business. And it doesn't matter. I don't need to build a business around my passion. I don't care about that, because I have realized a long time ago that building a business has nothing to do with my preferences, but instead with the preferences that other people have. And if you want to make money online, you really need to build businesses around niches that are actually profitable. Otherwise, you simply won't see any kind of money if you build a business around a passion that is simply not profitable. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, just leave it right below. I'll try to reply to you as soon as possible. That is all for this video. Stay tuned with Process Tutorials, and bye. I'm calling for you.